Hello, today we will guide you through how to change Zoom language. If you want to view your Zoom account in a different language, the process is simple and only takes a moment. In this walkthrough, we'll show you where to find the language setting in your Zoom account and how to update it correctly. Start by going to the Zoom homepage in your web browser. Once the page is loaded, look to the navigation menu on the left-hand side of the screen. This is where Zoom organizes the main areas of your account and settings. In that left navigation panel, scroll down until you find the option labeled My Account. Depending on your screen size or browser window, you may need to scroll a little further to see it clearly, so take your time here. When you see My Account, click on it. This will take you into your account area where you can manage personal settings and profile details. After that, look for the Profile section and click on Profile. This is where Zoom stores information related to your personal account preferences, including your display and language settings. If the page takes a second to load, just wait for the profile details to appear fully before continuing. Once you are on the profile page, find the language setting. Next to it, you should see an Edit option. Click Edit for language to begin making changes. This opens the setting so you can choose a different language from the available options. Now select your preferred language from the list. Choose the language you want Zoom to display going forward. It's a good idea to double-check your selection before saving, especially if you are switching to a language you are still learning, since the interface may immediately feel different once the change is applied. After you've made your selection, click Save to confirm the update. This is the final step that applies your new language preference to your Zoom account. Once saved, your Zoom account should reflect the selected language. If you do not see the change right away, try refreshing the page or navigating to another section of your account and back again. In some cases, logging out and signing back in can also help the update appear properly. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in Zoom.